Hello, everyone. Did you know that EasyJobs allows you to include a custom field for candidates in your job postings? Let's see how it works. First, go to the Settings tab in the left side panel of EasyJobs dashboard. Next, navigate to the Job Settings option. Here, go to the Custom Fields tab. Click on the Add Custom Field button. Enter a field label. Select an attachment type like text or file from the drop-down at the right. When you select the file option, put check marks to enable the document, image, and other file formats you want from the list. Hit the Save button to proceed. Go to the Jobs tab in the left side panel. Click on the Create a Job Post button. Enter all the necessary details for the job post. Hit the Save and Continue button once you are done. Now hit the Customize Fields button at the top right corner. In the following window, toggle to display the Custom Fields option and make it mandatory. Then click on the Save and Continue button. Hit the Preview button at the top to check the job post. Let's see how the custom field works in the job post. When candidates are applying for your job post, they will find the Other Documents section in the resume stage. Here, they will find the added custom field to provide their information. This is how easily you can add a custom field for candidates in your job post with EasyJobs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy hiring!